Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. So I am actually inside of Canva, and I wanted to show you something that I found. It is a new app, and I just want to see if this works. Okay, so we're gonna go to Font Studio, and let's see if this font works. We're going to open up the app, and then look how cool these are. Okay, super cool. I love it. Oh, this is cute. Look at these fonts. They're adorable. I like this font. This is premium. Okay, classic. So because I'm assuming premium, you might have to pay for it. So I'm going to go and just select Cool Breeze, okay? So with Cool Breeze, we're going to put the text here, and we're going to put Dream Big, okay? So we see Dream Big there. We have the font settings, so we could change the font if we want. It says upgrade. Okay, we're not going to upgrade, so let's go back. This is a premium font, so we're just going to use the one that they have. We're going to go to Titan, and then here we could fill the letters with the color. Okay, it's a color gradient. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that's cute. I actually like that a lot. Or we could do an image. Okay, so I'm going to check for an image. Okay, so we're going to go, oh, where was I? Okay, back to letter fill. There's color, there's a gradient, then there's an image. We're going to select choose file, and then I want to, for this specific one, go to the sunrise, and then we could have some special effects. Oh, we have to upgrade for that. We could do the outline thickness. We're going to bring it down a little bit, and then let's see what that looks like. Okay. How about we go back to the field, choose our image, open. Can we move it around? I'm trying to double click, see if we can move around. Okay, we can't move it around. All right. I'm changing the outline color. Okay. And we can change the projection color as well. All right, and it gives us a preview. Okay, so you guys see where I'm going with it. But basically, oh, that looks way better. You can put the photo inside of there. Now, it only took the top of the photo. I wish it was a way. Let's just add it to design and see what happens. So we're adding it to our design, and then there we go. That's super cute. I really like that. And also remember, we can change the fonts. Depending on the fonts, the words can look different. So let's see. See, that looks different based on the font that we're using. Okay, but that's super cool. And this is under Font Studio. I wish there was a way that we could move around the actual photo though for the letter field, because okay, let's try this one. Let's go to dad. So let's say it's for Father's Day, right? And we're gonna go to letter field and image and choose a file, and let's see See, we can't move it around. So, we will have to make sure the photo is smaller, but at least we get an idea of what it could possibly do. And I think this is a good start, but we will have to figure out a little bit better of how we, oh wait, what's this? Add a layer, an outline, a shadow, or projection. Okay. We have to figure out how we can make the photo possibly smaller so that we could get the photo that we want inside of the letters, okay? But for images and colors, I think that this is really cool. You could use these effects for all types of things. See that? I think this is a dope start. And then with premium, you get even more options, okay? So I wanted to show you that app. That is called Font Studio. And then there was another app that I wanted to play around with. So we're going to go to, where my app store? My app store. And then we're going to go to AI Sticker Maker. Okay. And then we're going to, this generates art stickers with AI. So we're going to open it up. And then we're going to put a brown puppy with big brown eyes. All right, so let's generate. All right, so while it's generating and loading, this is cool. We're going to see for people that love stickers, we could use it with our Romeo, our Juliet, our Cricket, different things like that. So we're going to see stickers. This would be cool for Father's Day, for just everyday graduation. We could use this for graduation. So if it's over for you guys, wherever you are now, it could be next year, birthdays, Christmas, Halloween, all types of things, okay? So keep that in mind, that you can utilize this whenever, or for the fall and winter graduations, because some people graduate in December. Oh my goodness, look how adorable he is. So we're going to go ahead, add that to the design. I don't like all that extra space. So I am going to make it a little bit closer, but I'm also going to change the background so we can see the cute little puppy. Okay, so I want to change the background. And then look how stinking cute that is. Okay, now I see it one. So let's see if we could try another design. Use 1 of 0 credits. So no, it won't let me do it. But let's see. Select the image. Inspire me. No, I don't want to do that. Let's just try a vibrant butterfly. I don't know if it's gonna work because I use my 1 credit. See, you have to upgrade. But I think that this is super cute. I should have did a butterfly. Well, the puppy is so cute. But this is really cute. And if you're interested in making a lot of stickers or creating a sticker business, I think that this will be great for you, because look how cute and adorable he is. And just make sure when you download him, you do 3000 by 3000 pixels. But if you have a sticker business or something like that, I think that would be really dope for you, something that you can check into. All right, so it could just make AI stickers. I think that's really dope. We have the Font Studio, the AI stickers, and then let's see if what else they have that's AI, because I don't know. So I'm just gonna search AI, and then it says a voice dub, interior styler, a color palette, job and resume, AI image generators, deep real AI videos, instant AI art, AI image generator, AI text to speech, AI faces videos, so AI music generator. Oh my goodness, sound effects. It's so many different apps. And these are apps that are inside of Canva. Oh, a comic generator. Oh, I bet that's cute. I bet that is adorable. Sketch to image. I really love it. So one last thing I will go over just to see if this can work. We're going to go to home really quick. And then I want to go to Canva AI and I want to create a coloring page. Okay. So we're going to create a coloring page really quickly, and let me think of a prompt or go to ChatGPT to grab a prompt, and then we're going to go ahead and see what we could do. Well, I was going to think of a prompt, but I said, you know what? Let's let ChatGPT go ahead and do it, because work smarter, not harder. I'm like, I don't have to sit there and do it. I'm going to have ChatGPT do it. Okay. So it's going to go ahead and load. Oh, it loaded quick. I didn't know it was going to load that quick. Okay. And then that's the style. Now we can change it too. So I'm going to do it this way as well. But that was quick. So this was, I think, the 9x16 to show what the resolution is right there. And here's the prompt details. Okay. All right. It's not too bad. And then right there, we could change some things if we wanted to. This one is cool. It got, I don't know, 3 eyes, I think. But that's cool for a coloring book. Okay, that looks like a real butterfly. And this one, I like this one. Oh, I love this one. This one looks, I love it. This the one. This is super cute. We can upscale it because that increases the image resolution and clarity while preserving its original composition. It gives what the prompt details are, all of what that is. Okay. Oh, ChatGPT, I didn't even read the prompt. So you guys can pause and read the prompt if you want. I only read some of it. So you guys can read the prompt if you want. But okay, so there's the prompt, there's the resolution. We can upscale it, we can change things. And it was fast. I didn't think it was going to be that quick. Okay, and then here's the different resolution in the 9x16. All right. Out of these, that one's something, I don't know. Let's see. All right. And we could always change that composition. But I like these. Y'all remember the Mother's Day? Super cute. But we're going to click on that one. We're going to open an editor. And if we wanted to, we can edit. We could play around with it. We can add some things to it. We could do whatever we want. But this is super cute. And it was very easy. So if people are in their coloring book eras, they can make it for school, for themselves, adults, for children, just because I know coloring is relaxing. You could also use these as canvases that we could go ahead. We could use vinyl with it, or we could use sublimation with it. We could paint it or color it. So that's something you could think about too. So yeah, some good AI images. Absolutely love it. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys the Font Studio, the AI sticker maker, and then some coloring pages using Canva AI. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.